Hello guys, so ito na yung Evo Blade Contest natin. May tatlo tayong participants. Yung ibang makers and sellers natin ay fully loaded. So may tatlong participants lang tayo. Ito yung entry number 1 natin. Crafted by the team of Sir Donald Daffon, the manager of the Master Duff Project. Ito yung Facebook nila. Hanapin natin and i-follow. So they are based in Apayao, and ito yung output niya, inspired by a chopper. Aliwa handle. Ayan. So Apayao base sila. So ito yung entry. May leadership. So more on customized blade sila, inspired by an aliwa. Yan. Dito tayong mag order sa kanila, inspired by an aliwa. So, may mga cleavers sila, may mga aliwa profile, and may mga utility knives and blades silang ginagawa. Second entry is from Kiangan. Entry by Sir Edgardo Bayang, the manager of Ifugao Traditional Blades. Ito yung Facebook nila. Follow natin. And pwede rin tayong mag-order sa kanila. Ayan, it's a family of bladesmith. Siya at yung wife niya yata. Ito yung entry. The same. Maganda yung bigat niya. It's more on a chopper also. So pareho sila sa entry number 1 natin. Nauntukan profile. Ifugao Traditional Blades based in Kiangan. Okay, so yung pangatlong entry natin is from Kiangan as well. Pero yung nag-submit ng entry is Sir David Bastian, the man behind the Man of Blades. Ito po yung Facebook nila. Follow natin. Subscribe na rin tayo. Pwede tayong mag-order sa kanila. Yung entry niya is, ito yung isang variation ng paglalagay ng ratan. I forgot the term. Sa ganitong design ng handle. Ratan waving sa handle. Pero yung profile ng sanabit niya is CX. Pang utility blade. Napakagaan. I seldom held blades from Ifugao na ganito siya kagaan, kanipis. Usually yung gumagawa ng ganito na blade is Kunan Hoganaki. Yan. Soon magkakaroon, mararagdagan yung mga entries natin. Hopefully sa mga susunod na contest makakasama yung representative ng ibang provinces, Mountain Province at Benguet. Yan. Kasi Ifugao at Apayao pa lang ito, and Kalinga. So sila yung mga known na mga usual na kilala na may mga bladesmith. Hindi ko sure sa Abra, pero soon baka may makilala tayo sa Abra. So ito guys, magkakaroon tayo ng cutting test. Simple lang, just to test the edge retention and sharpness of the blades entries. So there you are, guys. We had tested the edge retention of our blades over sanga lang naman ng kahoy, pero okay naman, mga balance in yung strength nila. So we will be posting once again, updating sa ating page and sa ating group, Igorot Blade Owners, the result of this contest. It's a simple contest, but just to promote unto us na may mga ganito tayong maker from Apayao and Ifugao. Soon, as we have mentioned, sana makasama sa susunod yung sa Benguet, Mountain Province at Kalinga naman. But usual kasi nakikita natin pag Igorot Blade, yung nangunguna dyan is yung gawang Ifugao with their distinct feature. Kaya masaya tayo, may nakasama tayo ngayon from Apayao, featuring and promoting the Aliwa. Okay, so soon, yung mga inipit din natin na galing Benguet, galing Mountain Province, yun yung mga aabangan natin, pati yung galing Kalinga. So thank you for tuning in. Let us know in the comments section below your feedbacks and comments. Thank you. God bless us all.